girls, this is teacher Anne. How are you? Yes, today we want to begin straight away with today's work or today's lesson. And today's lesson is about fishing. It is about fishing. We are looking at fishing. We are looking at fishing. We want to know what fishing is before we go any further. When we talk about fishing, what do we mean? Okay? When we talk about fishing, what do we mean? Fishing is the catching of fish from water bodies. Fishing is the catching of fish from water bodies. And say, fishing is the catching of fish from water bodies. From water bodies. From water bodies. It is the catching of fish from water bodies. Yes, this is when you go to the maybe to the lake, to the river, to the fish pond, and you get fish. You get fish from there. Okay? You get fish from those water bodies. So the process is called fishing. The process of getting fish from water bodies is called fishing. Okay? Then let's continue and look at the sources. Sources of fish. Where we get fish from. Where do we get fish from? Sources of fish. Sources of fish we have girls, where do we get fish from? Where do we get fish from? Yes, we can get fish. We've said we fish from the water bodies. So we get fish from water bodies. And these are the sources of fish. These are the sources of fish. So the sources are lakes, rivers, any other source of fish you know? Very good. Someone is telling me swamps. Yes, you can get fish from swamps. Another one. Yes, Lynette has told us we get fish from dams. And she's true. We get fish from dams. Where else do we get fish? Where else do we get fish? Yes, we can get fish from the fish ponds. From the fish ponds. Fish ponds. Fishy ponds. Those are the sources of fish. Those are the sources of fish. We can now look at examples of fish. Okay? Examples of fish. Examples of examples of fish. These are the different kinds of fish we get from the water bodies. Okay, and some of these we have what we call tilapia. All of you say tilapia. Again, tilapia. Very good. So this is one of the example of fish we get from the water bodies. Okay, have tilapia. We also have what we call Nile perch. Nile perch. In Buddha. And it smells too much. Do you know that type of fish? They sell it, they fly. Most people who sell it, they cut it into small pieces and they fry. Then after frying, they sell it to people in those pieces. And each piece these days, that small piece, is 1,000 shillings. Okay? But it smells so much. Okay? So it's one of the type of fish we get from water bodies. Then we also have what we call silverfish. Silverfish. Yes, we have silverfish. Then we also have lungfish. These are the examples of fish we get from water bodies. Can we read them? All of us. Examples of fish. Tilapia. All of you. Then let us spell Tilapia. Tilapia. Then we have Nile perch. Nile perch. Nileperch. Nile perch. We have silverfish. Silverfish. It is Silverfish. Silverfish. And lastly, we have lungfish. All of you, lungfish. Lungfish. So those are the examples of fish we get from water bodies. Now, how do we get these fish from the water bodies? How do we get it from the water bodies? That is what we are going to look at. Methods of fishing or methods of catching fish. We look at methods of catching fish. Methods of catching fish. Methods of catching fish. One of them is by using nets, fishing nets. Okay? Yes, those fishing nets are more or less the same as the ones we use at home when we are sleeping. Okay? They are more or less the same. So as these people go to catch fish, they use these fishing nets to get fish from the water body. So one method is using fishing or fish nets. Using fish nets. Then another one is by using basket traps. Basket traps. Using basket traps. Okay. Basket traps. Yes, this one. There is something which is made in the form of a basket. Okay? It is made in the form of a basket. Then on it they put something like a hole, a small hole. Then when they go in the water bodies, they place it inside the water body. When the fish comes, it enters through that small hole, then into that basket. So another method of catching fish is using basket traps. Then we also have using hooks. Using hooks. Hano kantu bakakola akalinga kati. Then on it they put what we call a hook. Kantu kakakula wekati. Then kebakozesa nebateeka ku mazzi kati ekyennyanja bwe kijja nga kyesogga buli on that hook. Okay? So we can use hooks to catch fish. We can also use spears. It's another method of catching fish using what? Using spear. Efumu oba amafumu. Tusobola okukozesa amafumu to catch fish or to get fish from the water bodies. So these are the methods of catching fish. Methods of getting fish from the water bodies. Now we can continue and look at the uses of fish. How is fish useful to us? Uses of fish. How is fish useful to us? Yes. We all know that fish is eaten. So fish provides us with food. Fish provides us with food. Fish provides us with food. That's one. Then it is also sold for income. People sell fish to get income. Okay? It is sold for income. Fish is sold for income. It is sold to get money. Okay? The money we use to earn a living. Then another one is that fish is used in animal feeds. Fish is used in animal use this fish when mixing the feeds of animals, okay? When we are mixing feeds for poultry, okay, for these layers, broilers, okay? We mix those feeds with fish, okay, which helps them to grow well. Then we can also use it when mixing the feeds for pigs, okay, and very many others. Fish is also used for study purpose. Fish is used for study purpose. Fish is used for study purpose. Fish is used for study purpose. In schools, we learn about these fish. We learn about fish whereby the teacher brings a fish in class and we begin to learn about it. We learn the parts of the fish, okay, in the class. So we learn about it is used for study purpose. Then fish scales are used for decoration. 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 Yes, we use these scales to decorate so many things. We can use them to decorate bangles, to decorate shoes, to decorate many things. They use them to decorate wall frames and even these picture frames. So they are used for so many things, okay? So fish scales are used for decoration. Now we want also to continue and look at the ways of preserving fish. How do we preserve fish? How do we keep fish for a period of time? Okay? Ways of preserving fish. Ways of preserving fish. Ways of preserving fish. One of them is by smoking. You get fish and maybe you get fish, put it on something. Is it a wire mesh? Wire mesh, put it on a wire mesh, put on fire. That is what we call smoking, okay? So we can preserve fish by smoking. When we preserve this fish, it takes some good time. It takes some good time not to go bad, okay? Then another one is by salting. It is by salting. By salting. You go to the butcher, buy some meat, bring it. Then when you want to prepare it the next morning, in order to keep it well or to keep it not to go bad, we can smash some salt on it. in order not to go bad. So, in order not fish to go bad, we can salt it, or we can smash salt on it. So another way of preserving fish is by salting. Then we can also preserve fish by sun drying. By sun drying. Yeah, you get fish, you put it under sunshine in order to dry, in order for the fish to dry. So that is sun drying. Then lastly, we can preserve fish by tinning. Fish is preserved by tinning. You put it in tins. When you you remove the flesh. How is it called? That way you remove the fillet. Then the flesh is packed in the tins. Okay, in order for it not to go bad. So these are the ways of preserving fish. The ways of preserving fish. Can we read through what we have learned? All of you, fishing. Fishing is the catching of fish from water bodies. Sources of fish: lakes, rivers, swamps, dams, fish ponds. Examples of fish: tilapia, Nile perch, silverfish, langa fish. Methods of catching fish: using fish nets, using basket traps, using hooks, using spears. Use of fish, or uses, sorry. This is uses. Uses of fish, we have fish provides us with food. Fish provides us with food. Fish is sold for income. Fish is used in animal feeds. Fish is used for study purpose. Lastly, fish scales are used for decoration. Then, we're going further to look at ways of preserving fish. Ways of preserving fish. By smoking, by salting, by sun drying, by tinning. That is the end of our lesson. Now we are going to copy these notes, and afterwards we are to write the activity. After copying the notes. Write it very well using the best handwriting. Good day.